Yes guys, welcome to my channel Hair System DIY. How is everyone today? I hope everyone's doing alright. Today I wanted to talk about my experience with laser therapy. Before I get into that, as always, don't forget the 20% discount Neil ACU are offering, 20% off your first hair system with them. Go onto their website neelacu.com and in the coupon code box when placing your order, type in Neil ACU 20. Boom, 20% off. Okay, so laser therapy. Now, I did laser therapy about 6 years ago. It's probably one of the first things that I did. I went to a clinic and I said, look, I've got this problem. They offered me minoxidil. They offered me not finasteride because that was another clinic. They offered me saw palmetto. I've been to several clinics. Which is like I think it's a herb, I don't know, but they said it's supposed to be quite good or as good as finasteride for helping grow hair back and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I ended up doing this laser therapy. Now, when I went in for my first session, I saw the machine and it kind of looks like one of those hairdryer things that, you know, you go into hairdressers and you see all of those women lined up sitting in chairs. It's quite a sort of 1950s style scene. They're reading their newspapers and they've got those things over their head, those machines, those hairdryers. It kind of looks like that, but it's got lasers in it. Sounds a lot cooler than it actually is. So basically what they do is they put this sort of near your scalp and there's these little glass things that come out of the bottom of the laser machine, and they're like bright red. And basically what it does, or what it's supposed to do, is stimulate, you know, hair growth in the follicles there. Did it work for me? Maybe it did a little bit. Maybe it did a little bit. I mean, I think done on its own, it wouldn't be effective at all. I think you need other agents in the mix to actually give it a chance to work. Is it going to prevent someone who is destined to have significant amounts of baldness later in life? Would it stop that happening? No. If you do have mild hair loss and it's not likely to get much worse, it'd probably help you. It's supposed to be really good around the crown. It's supposed to be fairly good around the temples, but again, there's no real science to back this up. A lot of it is sort of hearsay, but I think it might have helped in conjunction with the minoxidil that I was taking, which did help somewhat. The saw palmetto, I don't think did help at all, and it tasted like crap. I wouldn't recommend it. I'll probably do another video on supplements that can be used for hair loss at some point, because there are certain ones out there, biotin being one, that actually does help promote hair growth. So maybe I could look into that at some point. But yeah, for me, I think if you've got mild hair loss, yes, laser therapy is a good option. If you're destined to go, you know, really bald, there's no point wasting your money. It is quite expensive as well. I remember when I did it, I probably spent like 700 quid doing it for, I think it's like a 4 or 5 month run on it. And you go in once a week, you'd sit there, get the newspaper out, you know, and you'd just read a paper for an hour and then boom, the machine would go off and, you know, you could leave. So again, it requires a commitment of going into a clinic every week, taking an hour out of your week just to do that. It is quite a big effort for, in my opinion, not amazing gains, not great gains, not significantly noticeable gains. So yeah, that's my review on laser therapy. If you've had laser therapy, if you're thinking about having laser therapy, pop a comment in the box below. If you're enjoying my comment, please do subscribe. I really appreciate it, guys. If you've enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up as well. I really like that. And I'll speak to you very soon. Bye for now.